Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a full review of 20 CRM, a customer relationship management tool designed to help businesses streamline their sales, customer support, and marketing. We'll go through their features, whether it's worth using for your business. One of the best features is the Companies tab, which makes it easy to manage business-to-business relationships. Instead of dealing with contacts one by one, you can group them under a company profile, track their interactions, and get a full picture of your business clients. To add a company, click the plus button at the top right corner, and then from there, enter the name of your company. For example, I'm going to use the YouTube. And then from there, enter the domain name. Now for the account owner. For example, I am the owner of this company, so I'm going to select my account. And then from here, just enter the number of your employees and add the address of your company. Now, let's go over ahead to the People tab. Now, if you're handling individual clients, the People tab is a great way to keep everything organized. It allows you to store detailed profiles of your customers, including contact information, interaction history, and any deals linked to them. This makes it easy to personalize communication and track progress with each person. To add a people, click the plus button at the top right corner and enter the first name and then the last name. Now, enter their email. And then from here, we can enter the company that we've been added to the Companies tab. Scroll all the way down and you'll find the YouTube that we've been added for as an example. And that's how easy you can add your people at the People's tab, and it makes it easy to manage individual relationships effectively. And that's the review of 20 CRM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.